Honorable Minister for Tourism, Karnataka, Mr. Deshpande, Honorable Minister for Tourism, Andhra Pradesh, Sri Vashant Kumar, Chairperson of WTTC, Priya, Anand Kumar, Girish, Shankar, and my batchmate Secretary Culture, Ravinder Singh, all the delegates, the leaders of travel, tourism industry, other participants, the media. A very hearty welcome to all of you to this unique city of Hyderabad, which is both historic and modern. We are particularly happy to co-host this WTTC initiative with WTTC itself, and I thank them profusely for choosing Hyderabad as the venue for this meeting. Initiative for having the Southern Council Advisory Committee has come to some shape, but it is not a new thought today. A decade back, the idea was generated that there has to be a Southern Council of the Southern States because the Southern States need to promote themselves together. If there can be a North Circle comprising of Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, which is covering 4 states, and have which is very popularly known as Golden Triangle, why can't there be possibly a Platinum Triangle or a Diamond Triangle in South? I think that is what has happened, because I remember that when we at the official level, when I was Secretary Tourism again at that time 2003-04, at the official level we met, but then many of the decisions could not be carried forward for the lack of an umbrella body, maybe WTTC and Government of India. Deliberations were there, some needs were identified. But we feel more confident now that after the Bekal retreat, sometime back at the initiative of Mr. Sudhit Banerjee, he is here. I don't know why he is sitting there and not here, because he has been really spearheading all the discussions, all the deliberations. And so after the Bekal, many new issues were thrown out. The scope and the horizon of the discussions were expanded. The southern states, there was a roadmap, some form and structure were given to the entire effort and all. And I think as a follow-up of that, we are here today. And let me also tell you that both my minister and I are more than happy to really have the Secretariat of Southern Council starting from Andhra. We have already committed ourselves that yes, the first year. Of course, we are in alphabetical order A. Otherwise also, we said that yes, we welcome this, and we will be in all seriousness coordinating with the help of Ministry, Government of India, with the help of WTTC, the issues forward. South is doing well. Definitely South can do better. It is not that there was no collaboration. There has been sporadic, fragmented collaboration among the other southern states. Like we have signed MOU with Karnataka, but if things have to be further strengthened, there are issues which are beyond the states. There are issues within the state. There are issues beyond the state which have to be addressed by all concerned, as it has been told that there has to be conducive business environment. Business environment not only for private partners, but for government itself, in terms of taxes, in terms of aviation fuel and others. So we are all looking forward to the different panel discussions which will throw up issues, which will also possibly solve issues, and I'm sure that this is a critical time when we are really forming the council, the secretariat, and we would be able to show results in next few months' time. Thank you very much.